Hello everyone, my name is Harshit Bhutra and you're watching Digital Sun City. On this channel, I make videos related to WordPress and digital marketing. So if you want to learn more of WordPress and digital marketing, then you can press the subscribe button below. That way, you'll be notified as soon as I publish a new video. So now, let's get started with this video. In WordPress, sometimes showing the last updated date of your post helps the users to know that they are reading and updated information. If you want your users to know when the blogs or posts were last updated, then you have come to the right place, because in this video you will actually learn how to display this kind of information where your users can actually see what was the last updated date of your post in WordPress. So to do that, in your WordPress admin dashboard, hover onto Appearance and then go to Theme Editor. Now select the theme which you want to edit. In my case, I am using Schema by My Theme Shop, so I'll use that one. And then I have to go to my functions.php file, which is the theme function, so I'll click on that. Now scroll down and here you have to add a small piece of code. Before entering the code, make sure that you have a recent backup of your website so that if anything goes wrong, you can always restore it later. So I'm also adding this code in the description so that you can copy it from there. So I'll be entering / custom function. This is just a comment so that we can remember in case if we see this in future that what we use this code for. Now copy the code and paste it at the end here. So once the code is added, you can click on update file, and as you can see that the file is updated successfully. Now this code will fetch the modified time and date. So if you have to check that, let's go to post and then click on all posts. Now click on edit button of that post. Let's make some changes. Then click on update. Now let's go to our front end of the website to check if it's actually appearing or not. So you can see that when I go to this post, I can see last updated on May 19, 2020 at this time. Now if you want to highlight this last updated date text, then you can go to WordPress admin dashboard again, go to Appearance and click on Customize. Now click on additional CSS. Now here you have to add a small piece of CSS. So I'm also adding the CSS in the description so that you can style it. So just copy the code and paste it in the CSS. Now make sure that if you have any knowledge of CSS, then you can also modify it. If you don't have any knowledge of CSS, then don't modify it. You can use it as it is or hire someone like me or anyone if you know to make changes to this. Now this code will make some changes in the font size and background color. It's very easy. You can see that font size small, text transform uppercase, background color and the hex color. So you can modify it as well. It's just basic information. Now click on publish. And let's move to our WordPress website to check if it's updated now. And you can see that the text of the date updation is now highlighted. So this is how you can display the last updated date of your post in WordPress using a small piece of code.
I hope you like this video. It takes me a lot of efforts to create free videos like these for all of you people. So please consider to subscribe. And if you have any questions or suggestions, then you can directly go to our website digitalsuncity.com/help and then fill in the contact form with your question. I'll reply to that as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video. Hey, before you quit, I have an amazing offer for you. I am giving away free access to all of my digital resources to all of my viewers.
These digital resources can be divided in two types. The first thing is layouts. This includes hundreds of templates for Divi, Elementor, Visual Composer and a lot of royalty-free graphics which you can use on any website. Now the second thing is premium WordPress video tutorials. In the coming weeks, I am creating video courses for all the major WordPress themes and plugins. This will include video tutorials for WordPress, Divi, Astra, Elementor, Visual Composer and a lot more. So as you can see, I've already started working on them. Now, to get all of these premium digital resources, you have to go to my website digitalsuncity.com/VIP and put in your email address. And then you'll receive an email which will contain all of these things. That's it. So go to the link in the description right now and claim all of these resources instantly. I am waiting for you to get my digital resources for free.